I'm going to show you guys in this video my 6-figure candlestick guide that will help you get to $10,000 a month. But it's only going to work if you put in the work. One suggestion for all of you, set any distractions to the side, put your phone on do not disturb, and watch this whole entire video because I am not going to hold back anything. I'm going to show you what candlesticks that I look at that give me the best confirmation on the most profitable trades. Before we get started, if you guys want to be mentored by me, I do offer one-on-one mentorship. All you have to do is send me a message on Instagram. And if you want to trade live with me every single day on a Zoom call, I host live trading sessions. There should be a link in the description below where you guys can sign up. And one last thing, if you guys could show some type of love, like this video, drop a comment below, even if it is an emoji, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also check out my channel. I have a ton of other videos that will help you guys out. Now without further ado, let's get into this video. I know some of you are probably looking at my chart and you're like, Colt, I already know what a spinning top of bearish and bullish engulfing are. That's awesome. But you have never heard it the way that I describe it. And I teach at a very easy 3rd grade level and I make everything easy to understand. So be open-minded, hear me out because I'm going to blow you away in this video. And this video might be a video that you guys have needed to see for a very long time. Now, I like to trade on the minute 15 time frame. I don't go below it, but everything that I'm teaching in this video is applicable on higher time frames. I've done intense research on candlestick patterns, what candlesticks are the best ones to enter on, and this is really my personal opinion and from personal experience on what candlesticks I think are the best candlesticks to enter on. Before we start, we need to understand that there is a ticker. If we go and look at the present candle, we have 10 minutes and 50 seconds left on it. I'm going to stay on this page right here, but here's a big trading hack that I've been using that has really helped me out. We need to understand on these lower time frames, even on the hour 1, on the minute 5, the minute 1, the minute 15, a lot can happen in 1 minute. A lot can happen. I told you guys to put your phone on do not disturb and look at me. Shame on me. But I told you that when we're looking at these candles like the minute 5, minute 1, all these candles, a lot can happen in 5 minutes. A lot can happen in 2 minutes and even 1 minute and even 20 seconds. So what I like to do when I'm trading, I'm usually entering my market execution. Like every trade I do market execution. But when I'm entering the trade, I like to see when this candle or when this timer, when it has 3 to 5 seconds left, that's when I am entering buy or sell when that candle is about to close. I've done it so many times where I see a candle about to close how I want, but that candle has like 2 minutes left and then I get impatient and I rush into it. And the candle was like all the way down here. I was looking for a sell, and then all of a sudden within 2 minutes it shoots up here. And I'm like, well, I just screwed myself over. I got impatient. So the biggest trading hack that you guys can use is waiting when it has 3 to 5 seconds left to execute and get into that candle. Now, I want to help all my beginner traders. I know some of you are advanced traders, and that's cool. But we need to understand what these candlesticks mean. You guys can make your candlesticks whatever color you want. If we go to the settings, I have my green for the bullish candles. And then I have them red for the bearish candles. Bullish, it's going up, buying. Bearish, it's going down, selling. So you can make it whatever color you want. I don't care if you make it pink or purple. I'm not going to tell your girlfriend or your boyfriend that your favorite color is pink or purple. It's really up to you. So look at this candle. Let's go to the current candle right now. So this is hard to see, so we're just going to go and look at this candle right here. Look at this candle right here. This specific candle, the open of it was at the top right here. The close of this candle was right at the bottom right here. So once this candle closed after 15 minutes, since we're on the minute 15 time frame right now, and we have all these other time frames that we can look at, but we're staying on the minute 15. Once this candle closed bearish, a sell candle, this next candle opened in price right where the previous candle closed. And then this candle, once it closed all the way down here. So what's the difference between this candle In this candle, why is this one right here bigger than this one? There's just more volume, meaning that there's more people getting into sells or taking their money. Since we're looking at NAS 100, this is the NASDAQ, a US index, United States of America index. So when we see this, that means that people are pulling their money out of the NASDAQ. And then when we see it going up like this, we have this candle right here. The close of this candle is right here. And then the open of the next candle is right here. Boom, it pushed up and closed right here. Every candle right here, they represent 15 minutes. So sometimes the candle barely moves. That's just showing that there isn't a lot of volume in the market. But when we see the candles pushing up like this, all that's telling us is there is a lot of people putting money into the NASDAQ. Now let's go through these candles, and you guys are going to love it. First off, let's start with the bearish hammerhead, and it's going to be vice versa for a bullish hammerhead. But a bearish hammerhead, if we zoom in here, I want to make this really clear for you guys, this candle literally just looks like a hammer. Here, the wick of it, this is just right here, this wick. If we write a line right here, can't do that too well today. Boom, look at that wick. That wick is just symbolizing where price was at one point. So the candle, it opened right here, and then price, it went up, but then price ended up going down, and it closed right here at the bottom. So all that wick is showing us is where price once was. But if we look at that wick right there, that is a hammerhead. That's like the handle of the hammer, and then the body of the hammer is right here. We can see it looks like a hammer that we would hit a nail on, or we would use a hammer to hit the nail to put the nail into something. And yeah, that's why we call it a hammerhead candle. So there's a bearish hammerhead candle, and it would be vice versa for a bullish hammerhead. I'll show you guys one if I see it in a second. Then we have a bearish or a bullish engulfing. All this is right here is when we see one candle that's bearish and the next candle is bullish. But that bullish candle, it closes a little bit higher and engulfs the previous candle. So notice how we have this bearish candle. This one closed with price right here, but then it opened here. Notice how this green candle, it barely goes a little bit higher. It closes just a little bit higher than the actual candles open right here. So it goes down, then our bullish candle comes up, boom, engulfs this previous candle, and that is a bullish engulfing, one of my favorite candlestick patterns. If you see a bullish engulfing happen like this, that is signaling a good buy. Wait 1 second, guys. Pause this video after I say these next couple of sentences. If you are an action taker, you are going to have 2 tabs open, one for my YouTube video and one for TradingView. And every time after I go through a pattern, you're going to go to your chart and you're going to find that pattern and you're going to get this call out bubble, and boom, you're going to put whatever it may be that you're looking at. Be an action taker. Don't be lazy. It will take literally 1 minute to do that. So we have our bearish hammerhead. Then we have our bullish engulfing. Now let's go straight to the bearish engulfing. Literally, it's the same thing. All we see though first is a bullish candle, and then we see that bearish candle engulf the body of that bullish candle. That is a bearish engulfing. Now we have 2 candles left, and I would suggest that you guys pause this video, like I said, and go look at those candles on your chart and enjoy that view behind me, guys, because it is a beautiful view tonight. Now the next one is a doji. All it is literally a cross. But let me give you guys a little hack. I'm going to write this out for you guys. This is something that really helped me. Just this little quote. Wicks to the top. It's going to drop. Wicks to the bottom. It's going to go up. We can see that we have all these candles right here. Some have wicks, like this one, going to the top, and others don't. When you see these candles with wicks to the top like this and the candles closing bearish, red like this, that's signaling a really good sell. But if you see wicks to the bottom like this candle right here pointing down, that's signaling a very good buy. So our doji right here It's literally just a plus sign. It's showing us that there's indecision in the market. The market can't figure out, okay, are we going to go up more or are we going to go down? We don't know what we're going to do, but let's just have some indecision and then we'll figure it out. So usually with the Doji, what we see is a bullish candle and then the Doji, and then the market will drop down. That's how you know it's a good Doji. But the way that I like to look at this is I'm not entering after the Doji closes. What I want to do is get extra confirmation. So what I'll do is I'll wait for the next candle after the Doji to close to really give me that confirmation that the market's going to drop. So this is a Doji. It would be vice versa for a buy. Maybe we see a bearish candle, then we see a Doji, and then we see a bullish candle. We enter after that bullish candle. That's what you guys want to be looking for. Now the last and final candle. This is my favorite candle. It is called a spinning top. And you guys all probably play with those toys where you would have the little handle, then the ball, and the long like stand on the bottom, and you would spin it around. Those toys that we would play with as kids, those spinning toys. So I call it a spinning top because it literally looks like a spinning top. So we have the body of the candle. It's very small. We do have a wick on top, but notice if we zoom in here, notice how the candle's wick on the bottom is longer than the wick on the top. And then notice how the body of the candle is bullish. It's green. It's filled with buyers in it. When we see this candle close, that is signaling a very good buy. Now, I did a video previous to this video, and I showed you guys the 20 EMA. The biggest thing that you can do is go through, and if you see a hammerhead candle like this one, a bearish hammerhead, look how the wick hits the 20 EMA. It signals a very nice sell. If you see any of these candles wicking the 20 EMA like that and closing as a Doji, bearish engulfing, bullish engulfing, spinning top, hammerhead candle, you can see a really nice move after that happened. It happens all the freaking time. So go back now and look at your chart. See if you can see any of these candles in real time, in past time, and start applying it. And what you guys could even do if you're smart is go to the replay bar. You have to have the pro plan and go through and just play it back and see if you see any of these candles in real time. Here we have a little hammerhead candle. Okay. Okay. So we have these bearish candles right here. We have a Doji bullish candle, Doji bearish candle. Enter a freaking short. Go through and just play it back and see what you guys see. And have a little fun with it. And boom, it's like, there we go. Trade hit, TP. This is what I wanted to show you guys in this video. I hope you guys got some type of value. If you didn't, you can hit that dislike button. It won't hurt my feelings. And it doesn't even show nowadays. If somebody hits that dislike button, it doesn't even show it anymore because YouTube nowadays is all about love. And just like the Black Eyed Peas, where is the love? People killing, people dying out here. I don't even know the lyrics. You guys know what I'm saying, but show some love. I'd appreciate it. If you guys want to trade live with me, sign up for those live trading sessions. It's only $100 a month. Plus, you get a 20% discount if you guys sign up right now. So it's only $80 to join. But I'll see you guys later. Hope you guys enjoy my content. Peace out, guys.